Hello everyone, welcome back at Literature Hub. In today's video, we will discuss some important MCQs from the unit number 1 of the paper named Literary Theory and Criticism from BSM 6 English. So let's begin. How many types of poets are there? 3, 4 or 2? So there are two types of poets. Two types of poets are called objective and subjective, tragic and romantic, none of them. So right answer is objective and subjective. Dash is the history of life of the particular person written by someone else. Psychology, philosophy, biography. So right answer is biography. Biography should be living representation of the entire personality of an individual, common both A and B. So right answer is an individual. The first great biographer in English is Dr. Johnson, William Blake, Plutarch. So right answer is Plutarch. The Lives is collection of sketches of dash notable persons from Greece and Rome. 56, 65, 66. So right answer is 65. The Lives is written by Shakespeare, Dr. Johnson, Plutarch. So it is written by Plutarch. Sir Thomas More's dash is the first biography in England. History of Richard III, History of Richard II, History of Richard IV. So right answer is History of Richard III. Dash is the part of historiography, psychology, biography, none of the above. So biography is the part of historiography. Nature of objective poets is personal, impersonal, both A and B. So right answer is impersonal. T.S. Eliot, John Donne and John Keats are dash poets. Subjective, objective, both A and B. So these are the objective poets. Objective poets focus on positive aspects and personal feelings, negative aspects and avoid personal feelings, positive aspects and avoid personal feelings. So right answer is negative aspects and avoid personal feelings. Nature of subjective poets is personal, impersonal, both A and B. So right answer is personal. Prelude is dash poem by Wordsworth, biographical and autobiographical, both A and B. So it is an autobiographical poem by Wordsworth. Freud and Jung are biographers, psychologists, none of the above. So right answer is psychologist. Psychological fiction, also called as psychological realism, psychological imagism, both A and B. So it is also called psychological realism. Dash and dash are used as the narrative modes to explain inner mental state of the character, play within play and flashback, stream of consciousness and flashback, none of the above. So right answer is stream of consciousness and flashback. French psychologist Ribot has given dash types of imagination, 3, 4 or 2. So right answer is 2. Literature is an expression of society said by de Benoit, Renvellec, none of them. So right answer is de Benoit. Literature reflects dash of the society, values, names, both A and B. So right answer is values. Race, milieu and the movement, these are the three terms introduced by T.S. Eliot, Taine, Wordsworth. So these are the terms introduced by Taine. When there is an influence of society on author's thoughts and writing, it is called race, milieu, the movement. So right answer is milieu. Dash means genre or the class of the author. Milieu, race, the movement. So race means the genre or the class of the author. The Great Chain of Being is written by Ren Valek, A.O. Lovejoy, none of them. So right answer is A.O. Lovejoy. Philosophy and Poetry is written by Aristotle, Plato, George Boas. So right answer is George Boas. Literature reflects the history of philosophy said by T.S. Eliot, Wordsworth, A.O. Lovejoy. So right answer is A.O. Lovejoy. Russian philosophers treated literature in terms of psychology, philosophy, both A and B. So right answer is philosophy. Variety and unity are also known as simplicity and integrity, complexity and integrity, both A and B. So right answer is complexity and integrity.